Hello everyone, how's it going? In this video, we're going to talk about Hyliion, trading under the ticker symbol HYLN. So Hyliion is a company that has been in the center of conversation for some time, at least in the recent past, due to its rapid growth, at least in the stock market. So the recent price action would suggest that the end of sell-off is near, if not over. So let's take a look at the company and see if it has, if it fits your portfolio. So Hyliion is an EV company that gathered a lot of attention because at the time it was perceived as like one of the rising stars in the EV sector, rightfully so in my opinion, because its offering was actually interesting and different from what a lot of other companies building trucks were kind of doing. So they were building add-ons for trucks to help saving fuels. Basically, my understanding is that they would, grab this thing on a traditional combustion engine car and to basically kind of sort of make it half EV-ish so that it spends basically to transform a fully combustion engine truck into a hybrid. This is what the add-on is supposed to do. At least that's what I understood when I looked at its advertisement. It later decided to, build fully EV cars as well. So back in the day, it was one of the biggest names in the EV sector for a while before things somehow not, collapsed, but faded away. So currently things are a little bit on a standby. We're not sure when new products are going to roll out, and even less so regarding when profitability is going to be there. Okay, so for now, we don't know. And it has been fun and intriguing for some time. But right now, I think that investors are looking for results instead. So in terms of where things are going, they likely need external catalysts for the sector overall and for the company in particular to have some actual recoveries to occur. Currently, the stock is hovering around $2.37. It's been down by 9.2% over the past 5 days, down by 21% over the past 30 days, and down by 40% in the past 6 months. In other words, the sell-off has been continuing, and it's been going on since the late 2020. The rate of decline is constant for the most part since 2022. It's now slower, but it's not stopping. So I don't think that the sell-off is yet behind us. And no matter what we think about the business potential itself, the market's trust and confidence and optimism hasn't come back, probably for external reasons, by the way. In other words, if you go out and see how the world is at the moment, to be honest, you don't want to put in too much faith into some kind of moonshots. You don't want to put much faith into things that are more investments rather than necessity. Right now, people are more worried about necessity than the blue sky thinking. So my recommendation is, if you trust in the long-term future and relevance of Hyliion, then the stock price right now would be a decent one for an initial entry till the tide turns once again. Whether it turn or not, no one can guarantee it for sure. In my opinion, it's going to turn at some point. This some point may arrive a few years from now, so you have to bake that part in your trading strategy. And also, if you think that EV is relevant for the next few decades still, then, that's even more of a reason to invest in Hyliion. With that being said, if you think that, the EV sector might fade away just like fintech, just like SNDL and whatever, then don't put your money in this basket in particular, right? We're talking for people who are interested in investing in years to come. Then the current price might be good for your portfolio. if you're looking for trade opportunities, I would say that there are probably better opportunities out there. So the recommended exposure would be between 3 to 5% in Hyliion, and like gradually bought over the next 6 to 12 months at least, if not 12 to 24 months.